Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to put together your amazing interoffice envelope. This is very crafty. These are the tools that you need. A pair of scissors. You need a X-Acto blade, X-Acto knife with a brand new blade. Metal ruler. Some kind of string. And I got these little punched out holes. What these are going to do is these are going to be the closures. So they're just little pieces of paper, round pieces of paper. They're on the template if you want to do them yourself. Then you need an awl or something to poke a hole with. There's my awl. We're going to use these connectors. You can get them at Home Depot or anywhere really. They're the ones where you poke the two prongs here through the holes and then do this. Okay. Just a little disclaimer here. This is stuff that you really don't want to have younger kids doing. Just if you can, use your silhouette or cameo cutter, or if you have young kids, cut them out for them. Alright, so we're going to start with just cutting out the outsides. I like to stand when I cut, so I'm going to go to this far outside. You don't need to do the curved edges when you're just cutting the basic thing out. Give it a nice strong, I'm just going to go right to, can you see that? So I'm going right to the edge here. You need to be somewhat accurate because these need to be the correct size. I'm going to skip that little area, just move up so that I'm cutting out the flap. And again here, always hold your tools tightly down. Now here I'm cutting the sides of the flap. I hope you can see this. And we're going to use the scissors for these little curvy corners. If you want to, you don't have to. Alright, I almost got the first side looking good. We didn't have any 11 by 17 printing capacity in my studio recently, so we had to tape these together, which would work fine too, but definitely it's better if you can print the 11 by 17. As you can see, I'm doing the same thing that I did before, being mindful of my pause. Okay, we're almost there. Alright. Gonna cut here, quickly cut here. Okie dokie. So there's your first one. See, the edges are not rounded. I am going to quickly use my scissors to just round the edges so that it's a better experience for your recipient. They don't have to deal with pokey edges. Okay, now you need to score it. So I'm going to throw my trash out of the way. I hit the trash can. You're going to score from the pointy edge corners to the pointy edge corners. So from this corner to this corner, this corner, this corner. I'm using my awl. You can use anything that you have handy that doesn't make a mark. So I scored it there. This just makes the envelope look professional. You can, of course, just bend it. But this looks so much better. Alright. Now we're doing these so that the recipients can use their coloring skills while they're learning about your artist or whatever it is that you are sharing with the world. Okay, I'm going to fold it. See how easily that folds now? See that? Whoop. And here. So you're going to fold the two edges in, then this comes around here. So it'll be like that. Now, you might have wondered, Lee, what are these X's here? Well, what these X's are is where you're going to put your closing device, okay? So in the middle of the X, poke a nice hole, bring it up a little bit. Do the same on this side. Now you're doing this before you put it all together. Poke the items. Don't worry, you're not going to see the little dot. Then, what color should I use? I'm going to do it with red. I think I'll use the yellows. I like to put both of mine together so they're, like just one shorter job to do two of them. If you can, of course, get them apart. Okay, so here's my guy here, and I'm gonna basically go in the middle. Now you can use a hole punch for this. This is just a really quick way to do it. You can actually use a hole punch and get them ready for your students beforehand. So I'm gonna choose a little one, because you really don't need the huge ones. It's a little tiny one. I'm going to put this into the center, and then I'm going to put it through here. Oopsie. And bend it over. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. If you want to have fun with all of the different tools that you can get from different, places like Home Depot, Office Depot. All right, so you're almost getting ready to put it together. Now, I did forget to say that we do need some double-sided tape. I like Scotch, or glue, because you have to glue the sides together here. Get rid of the ugly stuff that was just sitting around. Okay, so I'm going to look and see, okay, how much do I need? I need about, can you see that? That much. And I'm going to flip this over. I'm just going to put enough to, because you don't want too much. If you get too much, it's just about perfect. I'm so amazing. Put that there. Get rid of any little fuzzies or cat hair. Okay, now folding this down carefully. Alrighty, look, there you go. Okay, so just to make sure that these important documents are kept safely tucked into their little world, we are going to, I like to use the side with the writing on it, and just make a double knot. One, do it again. Two. Cut off your little straggler here. Okay, so this is what you have. And now you're going to be able to make your crazy 8 here to hold it together. And go to your mailroom and make a little video of giving all of your envelopes to the mailroom, or maybe have your department send them off with their interdepartmental mail. Good luck. I'd love to see pictures. and take care.